Hello and welcome to Tortle Ninja. If you've been around the world of DeFi and cryptocurrencies long enough, you may have heard the term yield. Yield refers to the earnings in an investment over a period of time. It works the same way in DeFi. You invest your crypto assets in a protocol and get rewards for doing so. So how exactly do you earn yield, and what types are there? Besides lending and staking, the most common way to earn yield is by providing liquidity. Liquidity pools are a key component of many DeFi protocols. They are essentially pools of tokens locked in a smart contract that provide the necessary liquidity for various DEXs and other DeFi platforms. In typical liquidity pools, particularly those involving token pairs like ETH or BTC, liquidity providers contribute an equal value of each token, maintaining a fixed ratio such as 50% on token A and 50% on token B by value. This balanced contribution is essential in sustaining a stable market for the tokens within the platform. As a reward for providing this liquidity and facilitating smooth market operations, these providers are compensated with a fee, usually around 0.2% from the trades executed within the pool. The fees they receive are the yields they get from being a liquidity provider, and those add up, especially if there is a lot of trading activity. Yield farming or liquidity mining in DeFi involves users locking up crypto assets in smart contracts to provide liquidity. In exchange, they earn additional tokens or interest, maximizing returns in DeFi. Tortle Ninja allows users to either provide liquidity or yield farm. When farming on Tortle, you can generate compound interest because it automatically compounds any rewards you get from the farm. Additionally, you can calculate the real APY and PNL of your farms, as well as automatically close them based on their real performance. Besides this, we also have derivatives to help expand your DeFi portfolio. With Tortle Ninja, you'll always be in a position to take advantage of the best yields available. Thanks for watching!